result येतलो, but one thing you are making clear that henceforth you are looking at Goa Forward as a party on its own.
Yes.
Not as an alliance partner
No.
or a junior partner of any other party.
No. We are a party on our own. We have got a unique ideology which is not being espoused by any national party. And we are now working towards forming a गोंयकारवादी सरकार. गोंयकारवादी सरकार म्हळ्यार कितें? हांवें हांगा तुजो म्हळ्यार हेड ऑन विथ एल्विस गोम्स पळयलो आम आदमी पार्टी. तो कितें म्हणटा आमी अशे आमचे मुद्दे आहा पूण आमी कोणाच बरोबर कांय करचें ना. आमी भायर रावतले. आमचें तशें ना. आमी म्हणटात की वी वील वर्क टुवर्ड्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ गोंयकारवादी सरकार.
Okay.
आतां हें जर जावपाक आमकां स्थान मेळना वा आमकां कोण आमच्या मनान आयलेच ना वा आमची गरजूच कोणाक पडली ना जाल्यार गोंयच्या लोकांक आमी एक सांगूं सोदतात की आमी गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपणाचे राखणदार कशे आसतले विदीन द हावस एंड आवटसायड. आमी ताकतीक ना आमकां कांयच. वी आर नॉट इन अ हेस्ट टू कम टू पावर. वी आर रेडी टू सिट इन द ओपोजिशन. We are ready to stand on the streets and fight for Goinkarpana. But we will fight for it. And we are sure that we have a traction amongst the people of Goa and we will take it forward.
As of now, at this moment,
Yes.
all relations, there is a breakdown of all relations and communications between Vijay Sardesai and the Congress party at all levels.
There is other than personal level of some leaders in the Congress party. There is absolutely nothing. We have no strings attached with the Congress. We are not bound to stabilize any Congress government. It is not our duty to stabilize it. For the sake of Goinkarpana, I will go further to say that if they do something that is going to be against Goinkar and Goinkarpana, we will destabilize such a government. We are not bound to stabilize it.
Do you see yourself and your party as the neoliberal, non-right version of Shiv Sena?
Yes.
Yes. सुदिनान स्वताक मुख्यमंत्री पदाचो उमेदवार म्हणून घोषित केला. बीजेपी आपल्याला कोण तरी मुखार काडटली, काँग्रेस आपलं कोण तरी मुखार काडटली, आम आदमी पार्टीन आपलो उमेदवार जाहीर केला. Very frankly, because of your experience, who do you think is most suitable to be the Chief Minister of Goa right now?
From the BJP side, I think it is Manohar Parrikar.
Okay.
From the Congress side, it is a big question mark. Because the Congress, I feel that even if the Congress becomes the single largest party, it will take them 3 days to decide their legislature party. And if they have a majority on their own, or if they are pre-poll allies and then make the majority, it's another story.
Correct.
But if they require anyone, then the choice of their leader will decide the destiny of their government.